Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection now. Install the correct EOS utility build and plug the camera with the original USB cable or enable its Wi-Fi tethering. Once done, make sure the battery is charged above 50% and power save is off so the camera won't sleep. You do this because stable power and the right connection mode prevent drops and driver errors. And because EOS Utility needs the camera in PC/remote mode to establish a session, you now launch EOS Utility and accept driver or security prompts so the app can access the camera. Once the app is open, choose remote shooting or camera settings/remote shooting to trigger live view. This is how you control exposure and focus from the computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, pair using the camera's QR code, SSID and password, or enter the IP and port manually. Make sure both devices are on the same network, because mismatched networks block the pairing process. You finish by performing a test capture and confirming images land in the folder you set inside EOS Utility. This verifies both control and transfer. Once confirmed, adjust focus, exposure, and file naming from the utility so your workflow is consistent. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of the camera and computer, switch USB ports or cables, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus. This single troubleshooting step often resolves driver or network blocks that prevent EOS Utility from detecting the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.